What's going on, guys? This is going to be a 2015 Acura MDX. I'm going to help you out, show you how to reset the oil light. So to start, have your foot off the brake and you're going to push the start stop button once and then again. This will put the car into the on mode, and what you're going to do then is use this selector wheel on the steering wheel. Actually, wrong one. You're going to use this selector wheel. You're going to keep scrolling until you get to vehicle settings there, and then you push enter. You push in on the wheel. Then you scroll down to where it says maintenance info. Push once on that. Scroll once more to where it says reset, and then you push on there. Reset complete. So that's all you got to do there. Turn it off and turn it back on, and you should see that the oil has been reset. It should say 100% oil life. So yeah, that's it. Let me know if you guys have any questions.